What if the wood you're about to throw away is actually worth more than you think? What if a pile of old pallet pieces could become furniture that looks handcrafted, stylish, and surprisingly expensive? Today on Craft Catalog, we're diving into the ultimate wood recycling challenge, where old pallet wood gets a brand new life in the most unexpected ways. Pallet wood is one of the most overlooked materials, often ignored because it looks rough, worn, or broken. But that's the magic of this challenge. The transformation depends not on perfection, but on potential. As we explore different ideas today, you'll see how simple shapes, smart assembly, and thoughtful design can elevate old scraps into valuable, functional furniture you'll be proud to display. We begin with foundational concepts, because recycled wood designs shine brightest when the structure is intentional. Even the roughest pallet board becomes elegant when paired with clean lines and balanced proportions. Imagine a sleek wooden bench with slatted sides, or a compact end table with layered textures that give depth and character. These pieces don't rely on expensive materials, they rely on creativity and arrangement. One of the most rewarding aspects of using pallet wood is the natural texture. Weathered surfaces, subtle color changes, and imperfections all contribute to a rustic charm that manufactured wood can never replicate. When turned into furniture, these textures create a warm, inviting feel. Something as simple as a pallet wood coffee table can become the centerpiece of a living room because the surface tells a story. You'll also see designs that highlight the contrast between raw and refined. For example, a small shelving unit where the sides remain rugged while the front edges are sanded smooth. Or a console table that keeps the original nail marks but pairs them with polished finishes for a modern meets vintage look. These combinations give each piece personality, making recycled furniture feel intentional rather than improvised. Next, we explore modular wooden designs. Pallet wood lends itself beautifully to stackable shapes, interlocking frames, and multi-layer designs. Think of compact units that rearrange into shelves, seating, or displays. These are the kinds of pieces that adapt to small apartments, studios, or cozy corners while still looking stylish. The flexibility of modular designs makes them fun to build and even more fun to use. We also dive into functional furniture, pieces that help with organization, storage, and daily living. Simple crates made from pallet wood can become drawer replacements, open cabinets, or hanging wall units. Add 2 or 3 together and you have a surprisingly elegant storage tower. Craft Catalog viewers often love furniture that feels both beautiful and useful, and pallet wood is perfect for striking that balance. Another highlight of today's challenge is flat panel furniture made from pallet planks. When arranged side by side, the boards form a rich visual pattern. This makes them ideal for headboards, room dividers, or decorative wall panels. These pieces instantly transform the atmosphere of a room and require nothing more than consistent spacing and a thoughtful layout. They're large-scale, visually impactful, and unbelievably budget-friendly. For viewers who enjoy statement pieces, pallet wood also creates stunning artistic furniture. Picture a side table with angled slats that create shadows depending on where the light hits. Or a geometric wall shelf with a pattern that changes as you move around it. Even simple shapes become artistic when combined in unexpected ways. These are the types of designs that get people asking, "Where did you buy that?" Smaller pieces are just as important in this challenge, and pallet wood shines here too. Mini stools, tray stands, plant holders, display platforms, risers, and decorative wooden trays all elevate your home decor without requiring complex construction. These smaller builds feel intentional and stylish, especially when natural edges and textures are preserved. One of the most fascinating things about pallet wood furniture is that each piece is truly one of a kind. No two boards age the same. Some carry hints of sunlight, Others show marks from time or handling. When combined, they create furniture full of history and character. As you watch the rest of this video, think about the possibilities hiding in your own leftover wood. What could a few boards become? What kind of design could you create by mixing textures, angles, or repeated shapes? Sometimes the most unexpected materials lead to the most extraordinary results. Before we continue, make sure you're subscribed to Craft Catalog. We bring you weekly transformations, clever DIY ideas, and beautiful projects that help you create meaningful decor without overspending. If you love discovering fresh ways to repurpose everyday materials, this is the perfect channel for you. Get comfortable, let your imagination wander, and enjoy the ultimate wood recycling challenge. You may never look at Pallet wood the same way again.